Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Araceli DIY. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make some really easy and inexpensive DIY Dollar Tree decor. You know, I know you guys love that. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I would love it if you became part of this YouTube family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And in all honesty, I'm actually trying to cover the mess that's the back over here. There's so much stuff in my dining room and this is like the best lighting in my house right now, so if you see all that stuff, just pretend it's like, you know, not there. A couple of things that you may have missed in my last video. I shared a super awesome book called The Possible Life Vision Board book, and it's something that I've started working on this week. If you guys missed my how to create the perfect vision board video, I will link that above, but I kind of wanted to do a follow-up on that, and this book was sent to me by the creator of it, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. I want to make sure that you guys actually get a chance to look at it and what's inside of it. I do have a 15% off code for you guys also to get off your purchase of this book, and honestly, if you guys are like me and like to write things down, like to have a visual of the goals that you're working for, this is a perfect book for you, and I really would love if you guys went to check it out. Also, I don't know if you guys are scared of like freebies or what, but myself and my friend Oscar are giving away a free trip to Vegas. This giveaway is only open until July 16th. Oscar is gonna be paying for flights, hotel, and then possibly some spending cash for you to spend in Vegas for 3 days. Honestly, if you're not jumping on that right now, I'm not sure what you're doing. All you have to do to qualify for this giveaway is to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Oscar's channel, follow us on Instagram, and just check out the Vegas post on our Instagram. I'm trying to be really excited for you guys, but you didn't jump on it the first time around where I showed so much excitement, and then today I'm like, okay, let's hope that you guys get this message on your end. I will link everything below. I will link the vision board book. I will also put down all the rules you have to follow. Guys, let's get onto this DIY. You can go whatever way you want with this, but I myself am going to be using 2 of these planters. And then I also got this greenery. I got 4 stems from Walmart, and these are 97 cents each. Some green floral tape, Spanish moss, and a dowel. I do have a Dollar Tree pool noodle. It's not the entire thing, it's just about half of it. And I have tons of marbles, rocks, all of that. You can get rocks from outside if you don't want to spend money on them. This is just to weigh the planter down a little bit. My staples didn't work, so I'm gonna use my wood glue and my clamps. Okay, so for this DIY, I'm gonna be using these signs from Dollar Tree. As you can see, they're already painted and glued. I used 4 of them. I don't know if they're at Dollar Tree right now or not, but I hoarded these probably like a month or 2 ago. If you hear the wheels on the bus go around, it's Milani's in here with me. I also have some foam board and some leftover peel and stick vinyl flooring. You will need about 1.5 of these, and each one is 97 cents at Home Depot. And again, it's peel and stick, and I'll link the video above of where I actually use this on my front porch. Okay, so taking these boards, this one's gonna go like that, and it just so happened that this one fits perfectly in here, and these other ones are just a little bit taller. So I'm gonna take this one and trace it to cut off the rest of the piece on the bigger ones. So this board is exactly 6 inches across, and I would need exactly 9 pieces if I wanted them just right by each other into the frame, but I want a little bit of space in it, even maybe just like the ruler space, like this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it, and instead of doing every 2 inches, I'm gonna do just under 2 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark it right there. Okay, so here's the final look on the frame, and I think the combination of the colors looks pretty good. So that's all you're gonna do to that, but I'm gonna give you different options of how you can decorate it, because I probably want to use this again. Originally I was gonna write the word welcome here, but since it's gonna go outside, there's already a welcome mat, and I probably want to reuse this for something different, so I'm not going to write anything on it. I'm going to take one of these removable hooks, and I'm going to put it right in the center, and I'm going to hang this square wreath right in the center. So this is going to go in just like that, and I will link the video that belongs to this DIY so you guys can check it out and see how I did it. Another option for you is if you want to get like some decals that have words or anything like that, you can use that. I took apart another wreath that I had made, and I was thinking of doing something like this. So this Dollar Tree vine looking thing, and then doing home, and just putting it some, obviously not like that, but like fixing it to where it was going to say home. Even like that. Or you can use one of these even for Christmas. Do something like that for Christmas. And if you want to bulk it up a little bit, you can add one of that. I did add the hot glue here. Hi, Amoja! So that it doesn't come out. I'm going to take some of these sawtooth hangers and then put one on each side. And I'm going to hang it with some twine.
If we just hold on tight. the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Alright you guys, that is going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to check out the vision board book. I absolutely... If you want to go to Vegas in September, like, you literally just need to go follow a couple of steps and then you'll be entered to qualify. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.